You guys, let's spot. 1, 50. Woo. You guys, 50. 65. Whew. I'm tired. I'm going to sit down. Let's make breakfast. How are you guys doing? And okay, ready. Open it. Cover it back with this one. Our breakfast is ready. Look at that. Look at the breakfast. It's looking so delicious. This tastes amazing. This tastes so good, and it's so cold. You guys, it's cold, but I am enjoying it, you know. It's really refreshing. After drinking this, I'm going to go do some shopping for summer. I'm going to buy some swim wear for the children. Also for myself, I think I need new one to add to my collection. Like summer is around the corner, you guys. The children need new swim wear. Happy Monday to you all. We are done, you guys. Let's go do the shopping together. The weather is amazing today. Going for shopping, you guys. Parking space is always difficult. You guys, we need some tent, and the one we got last year or 2 years ago, it was so difficult to fold. Like, it was really difficult to fold. This year I'm looking for something that will be easier for me to fold, or for us to fold, if that makes sense. You guys, I'm going to the Decathlon in Belgium. Of course, I live in Belgium, so I'm going to the Decathlon to go do some shopping for the holiday and for the sports. Your girl have to sport too. I need to lose weight. Summer is around the corner. You guys, wish me luck. This is a cute outfit, don't you think? Purple all around. The shoe is nice. I hate camping outside. I cannot deal with it. Like, instead of me to camp outside, I stay at home. No holiday. I need something like this for the little ones. I need something like this for them.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
This color is really nice. They have two color. I feel like this color is nicer than this one. I prefer this one than this one because this one has a side pocket and this one doesn't have any. So I'm going to take this one. It's perfect for phone, you know, just put your phone there. And this one don't have any. What do you guys think? Tell me what you think in the comment section. But I'll take this one anyways. And this is the price, €7. See, huh? See what's I buy now. I'm done shopping. I'm going to work now. You guys, I'm going to be starting 1 o'clock and it's almost 1. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.